Good evening. Welcome to Salar News Sprint. I am Abubakar Siddiq. Let's watch the latest update that made the headlines today. United States grants record 90,000 student visas in India. The United States Mission in India announced on social media platform X that there has been a historic surge in the issuance of visas to Indian students during the months of June, July and August. Over 90,000 visas were granted to Indian students who had applied for higher education in the United States. AIADMK's ends alliance with BJP. Tamil Nadu's AIADMK has ended ties with the Bharatiya Janata Party-led National Democratic Alliance just months before the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. The decision was announced by AIADMK's Deputy General Secretary KP Muniswamy after a unanimous resolution was passed at the party's meeting. AIADMK isn't a part of opposition-led India bloc as well. It has announced that it will lead a separate front in 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Hindutva activists torched a car over beef transportation. Several arrested members of Sri Ram Seni created tension in Dodballapur near Bengaluru by seizing 7 vehicles suspected of smuggling beef. One vehicle was set on fire. During the confrontation, police and fire services swiftly intervened to control the situation. 22 people have been detained in connection with the incident. Apple to scale production over 5 times in India in 5 years. Apple, the manufacturer of iPhone, intends to increase production in India by a factor of more than 5-fold to around $40 billion, approximately 3.2 lakh crore. In the previous fiscal year, the company's production surpassed $7 billion. Asian Games Day 2, India's medal tally reaches 11. The Indian women's cricket team won a gold medal in the first appearance at the Asian Games, defeating Sri Lanka by 19 runs, while Divyansh Panwar, Aishwarya Pratap Singh, Tomar and Rudraksh Patil won India's first gold medal in men's 10-meter air rifle team event. Balraj Panwar comes in 4th place in men's single sculls final. India won 2 bronze medals in rowing. In the women's 60 kg quarterfinals, Oshibina Devi confirmed a medal by defeating Kazakhstan's Ayman Kashiga. For more such latest updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.